Hey guys, well, I've got a pretty experimental project today in the knife shop. So I love working with stabilized burl, but it's pretty pricey to buy a lot of times, and you kind of just don't know what you're going to get. I've worked with stuff that was obviously not fully stabilized, and other times I've gotten stuff that have had really bad voids and cracks in it. So I decided to get myself a vacuum chamber and start doing some of my own stabilization. I've got a lot of ideas for some interesting projects coming up with that. But this first one here, I've got some burl slabs that still have the live edge left on them, and I'm going to attempt to incorporate that in the knife. It's kind of risky because they can be those areas can be a little crumbly even after they're stabilized. Normally those would just be cut off, but they're also really beautiful. So I think if I can pull this off, I'm going to have some pretty unique looking knives coming out. So we'll see how it goes. It might be a horrible idea. They might just crumble in the making process. We'll have to see. But you know what? That's what it takes sometimes to come up with some interesting and unique new stuff. So I'll keep you guys posted. God bless.
Strike a match in the midnight hour. Shadows crawl, but they got no power.